I've never fully told this story, but I think it's time. It was a parent teacher conference. A parent sat across from me and spent 20 minutes telling me what I was doing wrong for her child, while I had paperwork documenting 47 times I'd reached out to her for support. I didn't respond. I smiled, I nodded, I made a plan. And on the drive home, I actually pulled over. Not because I was crying, I was past that, but because I realized I have been apologizing for not having superpowers. I have been treating the impossible expectations placed on teachers as a personal failure. And in that parking lot, I decided I was done. Not dramatically, not immediately, but done. Yeah, that was the moment, y'all. If you've had your moment or you're in the middle of it, the guide is waiting for you. It's linked in the bio.